Click on the link in description. Continue. Continue. Get link. Free download. Create download link. Click here to download. Extract the program. Extract the program. Go to the second link in description. Download file. I'm not a robot. Download file. Extract the file. Rename the end of it to 7Z. Add custom pack. Select the file. Yes. Wait. Wait. Click on Yes to restart. After restart, the icons changed. Even the control panel. To restore the icons, go to this PC, Properties. System Protection. System Restore. And click on this option. It will restore to the default icons.